All right, WMC, excuse my cold voice here. This is the video to find the winner of my pick one. That was this one here with Knable and Watt and Braun and Hank Aaron. So we are going to check the time, September 27th at 6:04 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. Oh my God! All right, September 27th at 6:04 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scott. Spot 10 is our winner. So, Scott, get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, September 27th, 6:04 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.